Hello everyone, it's me Kashmala Ali from Train Machine Models. Today we are going to discuss another topic which is loops in our Python programming series. So let's get started. So we are in our editor now. First of all, what is loops? Loop is a execution of a statement or a set of statement again and again as long as the condition remains true. Today we are going to discuss while loop and for loop. So we write the keyword while and then condition. Like I want to print the value of any variable, like I just define a variable I and assign it a value 1, then while and condition, like I is less than 10 and then colon, and after colon we write the statement which we want to execute until this condition remains true. Like I want to print the value of variable on screen and then increment the value of I. So how it's work? First of all, I is equal to 1. We define the value of I equal to 1. Then it's come to a while loop. While it will check I is less than 10. So 1 is less than 10, condition true. Then it's print the value of I, which is 1. And then it's increment the value of I is equal to I plus 1, which is equal to now 2. Then it checks the loop. 2 is less than equal to 10. Then it's true. It print the statement after a while, which is print I. Now what is the value of I? It's 2. Then it print on the screen 2. Just hit the run button and see the output on the screen, so it's more clear to you, like this. Why it's not print at 10? Because we in a condition we write I is less than 10. It's mean when the value of I is equal to 10, then 10 is not less than 10. Actually 10 is equal to 10, and we haven't write the condition that less than or equal to. If you write less than or equal to, then it's print the 10 on the screen also, just like this. Now it's print the 10 on the screen. Okay, now we are going to discuss one more thing, which is a break statement. Break statement can stop the loop even the condition is true. Let's check how it works. Now I have a variable a equal to 1 and I write while a is less than 5. So print a. Don't forget to write a colon. Okay. After this, I write if a equals to 3, then break, and after that I equal to I plus, sorry, we are using a equal to a plus 1. Now just hit the run button. So wait for a second, I reverse this and now So it print 1, 2, 3 and stop the loop. However, a is less than 5, so it has to print 1, 2, 3, 4. But we write a break statement, so it stops the loop at this point. As first of all, the value of a is equal to 1, so 1 is less than 5, it's print the a on the screen and check if a equal to 3, then 1 is not equal to 3, so it doesn't break and increment the a. And now a value of a is equal to 2, so 2 is less than 5, it print the value of 2 on the screen and check 2 is equal to 3. The condition of if is not true, then it increment the a a, and now it's the value of a is equal to 3. Now it's check the while condition, 3 is less than 5, so it's print the a on the screen and it's check 3 equal to 3. If condition is true, then it execute the statement after a if statement, which is a break, so it stop the loop at this point. Okay, now we are going to discuss a for loop. Basically, for loop is used for iterating our sequences like list, tuple, dictionary, or like this. Now we are going to practice it. Just suppose I have a list of fruits and it contains elements like apple, banana, orange, and one more, peach. Now I want to iterate over this list. Then I use a for loop. For is a keyword. For in fruits, print a. As you have seen, it print apple, banana, orange, peach. It for loop iterate over a list which name is fruits and print the elements of our list one by one on the screen. Now we check how for loop is used to iterate our string. Simply for keyword x, any variable in. Now I write the string here which I want to iterate it, like apple, then colon and print x, and then hit the run button. So it's print the apple on a screen. Now if I want to print some numbers in a specific range, then how I use a for loop to print it, just like this. For x in range, let's say 5, and then print x. Now hit the run button. Now as you have seen, it print 1, 2, 3, 4. Last number will not be printed if I have write some specific range. I want to print a 6, then I will write print the x in a range till 7. Now I don't want to start with 1, then how I write it? Just simply range starting value like 3 and ending value I have write 8. Now hit the run button. Now it's print 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8 will not be included in it. So in today's lecture we covered the concept of while loop and for loop. If you have any query and confusion, then you can write your query in the comment section. I will reply all of your query. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel to get more updates. So see you in the next video. Thanks.